Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. After Panetta, whatever you want to call me. In today's video, we are doing cooking with Abigail. I'm gonna make, can't get it, you can see my face. I am gonna be doing cooking with me. I'm gonna make French toast. I'm gonna attempt to make it. I may fail because I do not know how to cook, and I want to be a chef, so I have to start learning right now how to teach myself. So I have my pan, I have eggs, I have milk, and I have butter, and I have bread. So I need a bowl. See, let's see. I don't need a big bowl. Maybe this size will work. Just for French toast. So let's see how you make it. Crack one egg. Oh, sorry about that. It keeps falling because it won't stay. You crack one egg in here. Do it like that. Like that. And then put one egg in there. See how many eggs you have to do. You do 2 eggs. Like this. Crack it like that. Put milk in it. And you need a fork. You need to get a fork. Then you mix it. Then optional if you want to put synonym. I cannot talk, but this is what. Sprinkle some of that in it. Then you mix it, then you put your bread in it. Then you cook it. There, and then you put your bread right there. There you go. And don't worry, I already cleaned my hands before I made this video. Because I'm not going to do that. That's what it's supposed to look like. And you have to make sure it gets brown on both sides. And there you go. You can put, I don't know why I keep doing that, but you can put peanut butter, jelly, syrup, or anything you want on your French toast. But me, I like syrup, because syrup's the best. Alright, I want you guys to be able to see me. Sorry about the lighting, because the lighting's terrible. Yeah, so, do that. I'm going to make one for now, because you guys already seen. So you just keep flipping it back and forth. You put, of course I did this before, but I totally forgot to put butter right there, but now I did it so it won't stick. Sometimes you can use like spray, like the spray can, put in there, but me, I did butter, because butter, I like butter. So the only thing you need is eggs, or you need butter for the pan, then you need 2 eggs and milk, then you need bread, then you mix it, there you go. You've already seen, because I already demonstrated it, so you guys should be able to make French toast on your own. It's a quick, easy breakfast, so, yep, I'm going to let it cook, and it's going to be good, because I put cinnamon in it. If I pronounce it right, I can't talk, but, yep. So, that is, I'm going to keep letting it cook, because you guys already know. You just let it sit there till it gets brown, and when it's brown on both sides, then it's done. Or could wait. So, yeah. I don't know if it's going to be done. It's going to take a while. Yep, so this video is up for this week, and then next week's video, I'm definitely going to have to redo that one, because I want to do my Christmas wish list, but I'll do that next week, because I just want to do a cooking video, because I've never done that, and see, just want to do something different, because if you do something different, you never know. I do challenges and everything, and cooking videos are new. I don't know, I might start a cooking channel, but I don't know. I might, but you never know. He is cooking, and I like that. I want to get a spatula, because I don't want to keep poking forks. Put my fork in it. Like that, keep flipping it. French toast is the easiest. I don't know, next cooking video, I want to attempt, I don't know if I want to do it. I might do it, but I might want to make an omelet. Try to make, but you never know. There's so many ways you can make an omelet. See? So it looks like you keep cooking it till it's brown. So I'm going to keep doing that till it cooks. So guys, that is today's video, and if you guys, I don't know, I might make another part, but just end it off here and wait till it gets done cooking, and then show you guys. That's what I'm going to do. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to wait till it cooks and show you guys. Okay, back to what it looks like. It looks like this. You can get a brown, or you can get a dark brown, or light brown, whatever you prefer. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get me a plate. It's done. I don't need a big plate. Yeah, maybe I do. That's what it looks like. That. So I think it's done. Now I might make me another one. Like that. So the results are done. That's for today's video. Cooking with me. I want to do something different for my channel. And I did. Just switch it up because I'm always doing makeup or challenges or talking videos. I want to do something fun for you guys. So that's a switch up for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'm sorry for the pause because I just wanted to let it cook and stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'll probably be next week or the week after that. Whenever I make my Christmas wish list. But I'll let you guys know. And I'll be sure to comment down below any video ideas or any questions you guys have for me. I'll be sure to check them out. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Deuces.